My name is Felix Noack. I'm 33 years old. I'm a lawyer from Germany, and I graduated from Paris-Panthéon-Assas International Law School this year in 2023 in August. I was called to the bar in Germany 1.5 years ago in May 2022, and I practice civil proceedings and litigation in Germany with a focus on legal tech. And I came to Mauritius to do this master last year in November to broaden my horizon. My motivation to do this LL.M International Business Law at Paris-Panthéon-Assas International Law School was when I did research on doing LL.Ms abroad. In Germany we don't do that necessarily just for the academic qualification or for the academic contact. Usually we are already fully qualified when we add those masters up. The normal, or let's say the normal boring way would to do it in UK or in the United States. And I did further research, where else in the world would that be possible in an English-speaking country. And then I found out there's the top-ranked French university that has a campus on Mauritius in an English-speaking country. So I applied for that, and it was a very good decision to come here. Mainly the preparation is language-based, that I feel way more comfortable in speaking English in a legal background. Of course I have my school English from Germany, but that is, I think, the main asset that I took from it, to be comfortable talking English on legal matters. And I'm working for an American law firm now that's based here in Mauritius. And I started 6 weeks ago, but I already came across twice where I looked up the folders from the LL.M. I have that on my work laptop, where I could directly benefit from some documents that were provided in the course. And it is, I think the main benefit is it makes you more comfortable, because you heard almost every field there is. Of course, you're not an expert, but you heard about it and you have at least a clue where to do further research. So it gives you a great overview about everything that you might come across in a corporate environment. And this actually gives me confidence that there's nothing that I've never heard. And I think this is how that prepared me pretty well for what I'm doing right now. From a European perspective, for sure, it is quite exotic to go to leave Europe far behind, to go to an African island in the Indian Ocean. But it is worth it, and I never regretted doing that. It broadens your horizon. You get to know a real different culture, different country, a different approach on solving problems. And I would say it is always worth it to get out of your comfort zone, to take a step out. You can just grow and gain from that. And I can highly recommend this program here in Mauritius.